Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone on your Android phone. This is useful when you are traveling, your time is showing wrong or the clock does not match your region. So let's get started. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and find this option called System. On some phones, it may be under General Management, so tap on it. Tap Date and Time. Here you will find all time and clock settings. So here your phone may be using network based time. You need to turn off that. This allows you to manually select your time zone. Now tap select time zone or time zone. Now here choose your country and region. Let me go with Australia for now. And let me choose my region, Perth. Your device clock will update instantly. If you want your phone to update time automatically when you move to another country, you can simply turn on set time automatically or use network provided time zone. Your phone will sync time based on network, SIM card and location. And some of the tips, if time still shows incorrectly, you can try restarting your phone, turning airplane mode on and off and updating time and date again. Sometimes network refresh fixes time errors. And yes, that's how you can easily change the time zone on your Android phone, either manually or automatically. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your country or city, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.